A dependable permanent magnet generator can make a huge difference in renewable energy projects, backup power systems, and industrial applications. Here are 5 impressive models for 2026, each offering its own balance of efficiency, durability, and real-world performance for different types of users and installations. Number 5. PMG L-30000. The PMG L-30000 is an excellent entry into the world of larger permanent magnet generators, especially for users who need dependable output without stepping into oversized industrial equipment. Available in power ratings from 10 kilowatts to 30 kilowatts, it gives you enough flexibility to build a system that matches your energy requirements instead of paying for capacity you may never use. One of the biggest advantages is its ability to generate stable power while operating at only 500 revolutions per minute. Lower operating speed usually means less mechanical stress, quieter performance, and better long-term reliability. During continuous operation, the generator maintains smooth output, making it suitable for wind turbines, water turbines, and motor-driven systems where consistency matters more than short bursts of peak performance. The permanent magnet design also reduces maintenance because there are fewer wear components compared to conventional generators. Multiple voltage options allow easier integration into different electrical systems, whether you are building a commercial installation or an off-grid renewable energy project. I also appreciate the heavy-duty construction, which gives confidence that it can withstand demanding operating conditions over many years. Although installation requires proper planning because of its size and power level, the compact layout helps simplify the overall setup. For users searching for a reliable medium to high capacity generator that delivers steady performance with low operating noise, the PMG L-30000 is a dependable investment worth considering. Number 4. Rewindagic S. The Rewindagic S focuses on efficiency and simplicity, making it an appealing option for smaller renewable energy systems and home-based projects. Rather than chasing extreme power output, this generator emphasizes practical everyday performance with models ranging from 800 watts up to 2000 watts. The rare earth permanent magnet design provides an immediate advantage because it starts with very little resistance, allowing turbines to begin generating electricity even under relatively light wind conditions. That lower starting torque can noticeably improve energy production throughout the year instead of only during stronger weather. I also like the compact design because installation feels less intimidating, especially for first-time builders working on a small wind or motor-driven system. Vibration remains surprisingly low, helping reduce unnecessary mechanical wear while keeping operation relatively quiet. The stainless steel shaft and protected housing add confidence for outdoor use where changing weather conditions are unavoidable. Maintenance is refreshingly straightforward, and the internal design has been engineered to reduce resistance while maintaining reliable matching with different turbine systems. Although its output is naturally intended for smaller installations rather than commercial projects, it performs consistently within its intended role. The 1-year warranty provides some additional reassurance, though proper installation remains important for long-term durability. For homeowners, hobbyists, and renewable energy enthusiasts wanting an efficient generator that is easy to install and dependable in daily operation, the Rewindagic S is an excellent choice. Number 3. Rewindagic PGM-100000. The Rewindagic PGM-100000 is built for serious renewable energy projects where flexibility and large-scale power generation become priorities. Covering outputs from 10 kilowatts all the way to 100 kilowatts, this generator easily adapts to everything from expanding off-grid systems to industrial renewable energy installations. One feature that immediately stands out is its gearless design. Operating efficiently at low rotational speeds means less mechanical complexity and fewer components that can wear out over time. That translates into lower maintenance requirements and more dependable long-term performance. The redesigned power output system also solves a common issue found in older generators by minimizing cable twisting during continuous operation. In real-world use, that improvement contributes to smoother reliability during extended running periods. Whether paired with water turbines, wind turbines, or dedicated motor drive systems, the generator consistently converts mechanical energy into stable electrical output without unnecessary fluctuations. Installation is also more user-friendly than you might expect for equipment of this size, making future maintenance easier as well. Its compatibility with both 220-volt and 380-volt systems gives installers additional flexibility when designing custom power solutions. While this model represents a larger investment than smaller generators, the scalability and dependable engineering make the extra cost worthwhile. For commercial renewable energy systems or ambitious off-grid projects, the Rewindagic PGM-100000 earns a confident recommendation. Number 2. Rewindagic L-30000. The Rewindagic L-30000 combines efficient low-speed operation with impressive versatility, making it one of the strongest all-around performers in this lineup. Available in power ratings from 10 kilowatts to 30 kilowatts, it fits a wide range of renewable energy applications without feeling oversized for medium-scale installations. Running efficiently at only 500 revolutions per minute gives this generator a practical advantage because lower speed generally means less vibration, quieter operation, and longer service life. I found its compatibility with multiple voltage outputs especially useful since it allows easier integration into existing electrical systems without requiring unnecessary modifications. Whether installed alongside a wind turbine, water turbine, or dedicated motor drive, the generator delivers smooth and dependable alternating current power that remains stable during continuous operation. The permanent magnet construction also reduces routine maintenance, which is something every long-term owner can appreciate. Another strength is its direct drive capability, eliminating the need for complicated gear systems that often increase maintenance costs over time. Its solid construction inspires confidence, particularly for installations expected to operate year after year in changing outdoor conditions. While professional installation is recommended to maximize efficiency and safety, the overall design keeps integration relatively straightforward. For anyone building a reliable renewable energy system that balances performance, durability, and efficiency, the Rewindagic L-30000 deserves a place near the top of the shortlist. Number 1. Rewindagic 100. Claiming the top position is the Rewindagic 100 kilowatt permanent magnet generator because it brings together advanced engineering, impressive efficiency, and exceptional long-term reliability. Designed for demanding renewable energy applications, this generator feels purpose-built for users who cannot afford inconsistent power production. Its innovative precise coil technology improves electrical efficiency while helping maximize energy conversion across different operating conditions. I also appreciate the coilless motor design, which reduces both weight and overall size without sacrificing performance. That lighter construction makes transportation and installation more manageable than you might expect from equipment delivering this level of output. The direct drive system eliminates gearbox losses, allowing the generator to produce stable electricity even at relatively low rotational speeds. Heat management is another area where this model performs extremely well. The aluminum alloy housing works together with the internal structure to dissipate heat efficiently during extended operation, helping protect critical components over time. Despite its impressive power capability, noise levels remain surprisingly controlled, making it more pleasant to operate in long-running installations. Multiple voltage options also provide flexibility when integrating the generator into different electrical systems. While this generator is certainly intended for larger commercial or advanced off-grid projects, the performance easily justifies its premium position. For users seeking maximum efficiency, durability, and dependable power generation over many years, the Rewindagic 100 kilowatt is my strongest recommendation. That completes this countdown of the 5 best permanent magnet generators for 2026. Each model serves a different purpose, from compact renewable energy systems to large-scale power generation. Which generator would you choose? Share your thoughts below. And remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews.